In the world of reproduction, some creatures take the phrase quantity over quality to heart, producing a staggering number of offspring. Join us as we delve into the prolific realm of animal reproduction and explore the top 10 animals that have mastered the art of quantity. From tiny insects to aquatic giants, these animals demonstrate an astonishing ability to ensure the survival of their species through sheer numbers. Number 1. Red flower beetle. The red flower beetle, though minuscule, is a champion when it comes to reproduction. A single female beetle can lay up to 500 eggs during her lifetime. Their rapid reproduction cycle, short generation time, and ability to thrive in various environments make them an incredibly successful and numerous species. The eggs hatch into larvae, which then pupate and transform into adult beetles, perpetuating their population in an efficient manner. Number 2. Pacific salmon. Pacific salmon embark on an incredible journey to reproduce. After living much of their lives in the ocean, they return to the rivers where they were born to lay their eggs. Female salmon dig nests in the gravel beds of these rivers, where they deposit thousands of eggs. Unfortunately, many of these eggs fall prey to predators, but the sheer number of eggs laid ensures that a portion will survive to continue the species. This strategy, known as simulparity or Big Bang reproduction, allows salmon to maximize their reproductive success in challenging environments. Number 3. American toad. American toads are known for their explosive breeding behavior. During the breeding season, females can lay between 4,000 to 8,000 eggs in shallow water, attaching them to vegetation. These eggs hatch into tadpoles, which undergo metamorphosis into adult toads. The high number of eggs is a strategy to counteract the high mortality rate that many amphibians face during their life cycle. By producing a large number of offspring, American toads increase the chances that some will survive to maturity and contribute to the next generation. Number 4. House mouse. House mice are known for their rapid reproduction and adaptability to various environments. A single female mouse can give birth to a litter of about 6 to 12 pups every 3 weeks, with the potential to produce up to 150 offspring in a year. Their quick reproduction cycle contributes to their widespread presence in human habitats. This reproductive strategy allows them to thrive in a variety of conditions and contribute to the dense populations often found in urban areas. Number 5. Ostrategist fish. Many fish species classified as ostrategists have evolved to produce a high number of offspring to ensure the survival of their species. For instance, Atlantic cod can produce millions of eggs per female, and herring can release hundreds of thousands of eggs. While the survival rate of these eggs is relatively low due to predation and environmental factors, the sheer number of offspring increases the chances of some individuals surviving to maturity. This strategy is particularly effective in habitats where resources are unpredictable or variable. Number 6. Cane toad. Cane toads are notorious for their invasive nature, and part of their success can be attributed to their prolific reproduction. Female cane toads lay long strings of eggs in shallow water, with each clutch containing thousands of eggs. These eggs develop into tadpoles and later into toadlets, helping the species establish a strong presence in new habitats. While this reproductive strategy contributes to their invasive success, it also highlights the challenges posed by non-native species in ecosystems they colonize. Number 7. Brown rat. Similar to house mice, brown rats have mastered rapid reproduction. A single female rat can give birth to a litter of 7 to 14 pups every 3 weeks. This reproductive strategy ensures a steady increase in their population, even in urban environments where they coexist with humans. Brown rats' ability to reproduce quickly has contributed to their success as one of the most widespread and adaptable mammals on the planet. Number 8. Fruit fly. Fruit flies are model organisms in scientific research due to their rapid reproduction and short life cycle. A female fruit fly can lay hundreds of eggs in her lifetime, contributing to the large number of offspring produced by this species. Their prolific reproduction makes them valuable subjects for studying genetics and developmental biology. Fruit flies' ability to generate large populations quickly allows researchers to observe genetic variations and changes over multiple generations in a short period. Number 9. Barnacles. Barnacles are small marine crustaceans that often go unnoticed, but their reproductive strategy is impressive. They release vast numbers of eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs externally. The resulting larvae drift in the ocean before settling and metamorphosing into adults. This reproductive method allows barnacles to colonize new areas efficiently. By releasing a large number of eggs into the water column, barnacles maximize the chances of successful fertilization and settlement in various habitats. Number 10. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are notorious for their rapid reproduction and ability to thrive in diverse habitats. Female mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, and some species can produce hundreds of eggs in a single batch. With their short life cycle and high reproductive capacity, mosquitoes can quickly establish large populations. While their reproductive success is essential for maintaining their presence in ecosystems, mosquitoes also pose health risks as vectors for various diseases, highlighting the complex interactions between reproduction and public health. The animal kingdom is full of creatures that employ various strategies to ensure the survival of their species. From insects to amphibians and fish, the top 10 animals with the most offspring showcase a range of reproductive adaptations that emphasize quantity as a means of overcoming challenges in the wild. If you're amazed by the prolific reproduction of these extraordinary animals, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Top 10 Temptation on YouTube for more captivating content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.